Good morning, students. I hope you must have done exercise 4.5 word problems of multiplication. Now today we'll do multiplication worksheet. I hope all of you must have this book, this worksheet book, and from this we will do worksheet number 4. Worksheet number 4, it is on page number 7, and we'll do the multiplication part only today. The sums related to multiplication. So the first question is find the product. The first question is find the product. The A question is 3472 and the multiplier is 48. The upper number is called the multiplicand and by which we are multiplying is known as the multiplier. Right? Now we have to start multiplying from the which place? Yes, we have to multiply from the ones place. What is the ones place? 8. And what is the multiplicand written on the ones place? 2. So 8 2s are 16. 6, 1 will be carried on the tens place. Now 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 1, 57. 7, 5 will be carried on the hundred place. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 5, 37. 3 will be carried on the thousand place. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So 7 will be written on thousand place and 2 will be written on 10,000 place. Right? Now we have to multiply by the tens place. What is the tens place? 4. So when we are multiplying by the tens place, the ones place will be replaced by what? Yes, it will be replaced by cross or 0. 4 twos are 8. 4 sevens are 28. 8, 2 will be carried on the hundred place. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 1 will be carried on the thousand place. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 and 1 will be written on lakh place. Now we have to add them. Right? 6 plus 0 or process 6 only. 7 plus 8, 15. 5, 1 will be carried on the hundred place. 7 and 1, 8. 8 and 8, 16. 6, 1 will be carried on the thousand place. 8, 8 and 8, 16. 6, 1 will be carried on the 10,000 place. 3 plus 3, 6. And 1 on the lakh place. So, what is the product? The product, we put the commas according to the places. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So, the product is 1,66,656. This is the product. The answer of multiplication is known as product. Now, question number B. Question B. 4,896 multiplied by 75. So we'll put the places first. 4 digits. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 4,896 multiplied by 75. Now we know that we have to start multiplying from which place? Yes, from the ones place. Ones place, what is the number given? 5 multiplied by 6. So 5 6 are 30. 0, 3 will be carried on tens place. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. 8 4 will be carried on the hundred place. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 4 will be carried on the thousand place. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 4 will be written on thousand place and 2 will be written on 10,000 place. Now we have to multiply by the tens place. What is tens place? 7. So the ones place will be replaced by what? Yes, it will be replaced by cross or 0. 7 6 are 42. 2, 4 will be carried on the tens place. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 4, 67. 6 will be carried on 100 place. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 6, 62. 2, 6 will be carried on the 1000 place. Now 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6, 34. So 4 will be written on 10,000 place and 3 will be written on lakh place. So we will mention lakh also. Now we have to add them. 0 plus cross is 0 only. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 1 will be carried on the 100 place. 4 and 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 2, 1 will be carried on 1000 place. 4 and 1, 5. 5 and 2, 7. 4 and 2, 6. And 3 on the lakh place. Now put commas according to the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So when we multiply 4,896 by 75, the product is 3,67,200. This is the product. Clear, students? Another question. Question number C. C part now we do. Question C is 2089 multiplied by 29. Again there are 4 digits and we have to multiply by 2 digits. So we'll arrange according to the places. 4 digits means 1000 place, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 2089 multiplied by 29. We have to always start multiplying from which place? Yes, from ones place. So ones place is 9. 9 multiplied by 9, 81. 8 will be carried on the tens place. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 8, 80. 0, 8 will be carried on the 100 place. 9 zeros are, if we multiply any number by 0, the product is 0 only. So 9 zeros are 0. But if we add any number to 0, it will be the same number. So 9 zeros are 0. 0 plus 8 is 8 only. 9 twos are 18. 8 will be written on 1000 place and 1 will be written on 10,000 place. Now we have to multiply by the tens place. What is tens place? 2. So ones place will be replaced by what? Yes, it will be replaced by cross. 2 9s are 18. 8. 1 will be carried on the tens place. 2 8s are 16. 16 and 1, 17. 7. 1 will be carried on 100 place. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1 only. 2 twos are 4. Now we have to add them. 1 plus cross, 1 only. 0 plus 8, 8 only. 8 plus 7, 15. 5, 1 will be carried on the 1000 place. 8 and 7, 15. 5, 1 will be carried. 8 and 1, 9. 9 and 1, 10. 0, 1 will be carried on the 10,000 place. 4 and 1, 5. 5 and 1, 6. So, put the commas according to the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So, when we multiply 2089 by 29, the product is 60,581. This is the product. Clear, students? Now we'll do question number 3, B part. Question 3, B part. Fill in the blanks. The question is the monthly salary of Pranav is rupees 4,560. His annual salary is, question is, the monthly salary of Pranav is rupees 4,560. His annual salary is dash rupees. This is the question given. The monthly salary of Pranav is rupees 4,560. His annual salary is rupees how much? So monthly salary means 1 month salary. Monthly salary equals to 1 month salary. Annual salary means whole year. Annual salary means 1 year salary. 1 year salary. So he is asking the monthly salary of Pranav is rupees 4,560. Means 1 month salary is rupees 4,560. His annual salary is, what will his annual salary? In 1 year, how many months are there? In 1 year, 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we have to find the annual salary. Annual salary means we have to find the salary of 12 months, right? Now what is the first statement? What is given? Rupees 4,560, right? So first statement will be Pranav 1 month salary equals to rupees 4,560, right? Another thing he is asking for the annual salary. Annual salary means 12 month salary. Pranav 12 month salary. One month salary is given and we have to find the salary of 12 months. Means we have to find the salary of more. So what do we have to do? We have to multiply 4,560 by 12. So rupees 4,560 multiplied by 12. I hope you must have been clear with what is monthly salary and what is annual salary. Annual salary means 1 year salary. That means we have to find the salary of 12 months. Now we will multiply. The numbers are given in 4 digits and we have to multiply by 2 digits. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. 4,560 multiplied by 12. Always start from the ones place. 2 zeros are 0. 2 sixes are 12. 1 carried on the 100 place. 2 fives are 10. 10 and 1, 11. 1 will be carried on the 1000 place. 2 fours are 8. 8 and 1, 9. Now put a cross. Now we have to multiply by the tens place. So we will replace ones place by cross or 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 sixes are 6. 1 fives are 5. 1 fours are 4. So 4 will come on 10,000 place. This is 9. Now add them. 0 plus cross is 0 only. 2 plus 0, 2. 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 5, 14. 4 and 1 will be carried on the 10,000 place. 4 and 1, 5. Now we'll put commas according to the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So Pranav 12 month salary is 54,720 rupees, or we can say his annual salary is 54,720 rupees. So answer is Pranav annual salary is rupees 54,720. Clear? So this number will come in the blank. Clear, students? I hope question 1 and question 3 are clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.